How you doing, folks? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're in Torquay and we're staying here at the Imperial Hotel here behind me. Now the hotel has an awful lot of bad reviews on TripAdvisor for dirty rooms, poorly maintained rooms. Now we're staying in the deluxe room, so we're hoping that it shouldn't be the room should be in good order because it's a deluxe room. So we'll go check it out and we'll see if the rumours are true or not. So come along and join us. Okay folks, so this is our floor. There is a bit of a musty smell, I notice. Yeah, and the carpet looks very, very old and very dirty. Okay. Okay, so this is us. Okay guys, so this is the room that we're staying in the Imperial. Now this is a deluxe room. They call it a family room. So I'll just show you the view first that we have. Now to me the hotel is very dated. Okay, it's very stiff. Okay. Yeah. Oh my. Okay. Like, you know, you can't argue with the view right there, and then you have all the Torquay down there. You know, apparently this has a lot of good reviews online, but here, I don't think they don't. So stuff paint off the wall, and I'd say it hasn't been painted in a long time or even cleaned. It's quite dirty. Okay, I'd say the whole it's definitely showing its age. And if you look at some of the furniture, you know, the furniture has seen better days. Yeah. There's a lot of chips and damage. You know, it's like lockers, like the lamps. I don't know whether that's blood. It looks like blood. Whatever that is there. On the lampshades. Carpet is old, well worn, stained. I'd say, you know, stains on the seats. Timber's well worn. Like, it doesn't cost much for to get somebody just either give them a coat of stain and give them a coat of lacquer or a coat of varnish. You know, and it's the same with these cabinets. Like, you know, it's wherever handle missing there, wherever that was. You know, look at the chair. Again, stains on the seat. Yeah, I think that kind of says well. Yeah, look, crumbs and food all down the back of the seats. So they don't do a whole lot of cleaning. Yeah, same here. It's, I don't know what that is. Paint, something. Shocking. Information. Key cards. At least you get some complimentary water. There's a TV, modern-ish TV. And then again, they also charge you for parking here. So they have, you know, they're charging you £10 a night for the privilege to park here. I'd say the quarters are there probably from the 1990s. You know, and this is supposed to be a deluxe room. I'd hate to see what the other rooms look like, to be honest. The bed, it's, you know, and it's just that's just two singles pushed together. You've paint here, more paint. You know, it's. Take a look at the mattress there. It should be. There is a mattress protector, but it's not fitted on properly. Yeah, it should be like that. Yeah, the mattress looks okay, thankfully. Yeah, well, yeah, there's a couple of stains. There is actually a couple of stains. Okay. Okay, so that's the bedroom. Yeah, this place is definitely showing its age. Really showing its age. You know, keeping around the door frames. It's you know, like this place hasn't been done or probably cleaned in years. So as I say, it's a family room. So there's another room here. You know, for if you have kids. But then again, like, there's a huge, you know, it looks like a wine stain on the floor. Marks on the walls. Like, you know, filthy fittings. And if anybody decides to complain in the comments, I'm giving my honest opinion of what I'm seeing here. You know, and as I said, this is supposed to be the deluxe room, and it's filthy, and it's, you know, it's stains all over the walls. And I'd say they weren't original to those these wardrobes. So there's rack there for hangers. What do we have here? We have a safe. We have a hairdryer. Any more? Yeah. Okay. That's obviously a door into another room. The bathroom, like, it's big. I'd say that was replaced recently. Looks recent enough. A few marks on the taps, stains on the timber. What else do we have? We have tissues, we have towels. They're a bit stiff, but nonetheless. And it's never good when you see something like that in the hotel bathroom. You know, you've yeah, as I said, you also don't clean the place because you've bits of tissue. You've what looks like a piece of it looks like a piece of plastic wiring left on the floor. So the people, you know, the housekeeping staff aren't cleaning, you know, the way they're supposed to be. There's the bath, and your shower. You know, your shower and bath, old school, old, you know, bath court. You know, it's yeah, and there's stuff like this. And this place is, you know, supposedly online getting good reviews. I don't know how, but because as I'm saying, this is a deluxe room. It's only a deluxe room 20 years ago, but you know. Just something else, folks. I took this out to use. Tyrol. Absolutely filthy. Disgusting. And again, folks, another little thing in the room. Piece of broken glass, probably from a previous guest. Yeah, so there you go. Absolutely shocked. Yeah, okay, so that's the room. We'll see what the rest of the hotel is like, because this is the bloody room. You know, but the only thing it has going for it is the view. So yeah, we'll come back to these later. We'll see what the rest of the hotel is like, and we'll go from there. And just to show you, folks, that's our room, and the toilet right next to it, and you can kind of smell it. This is the corridor. Now, the reception is actually up above us. So you're actually down below the reception where the hotel works. But we'll go have a nosy around. funky smell here too. So we need to go up. Again, guys, you can see the carpet is absolutely shocking. The carpet is at least 30 years old, easily. So this is the regatta dining room, guys. Even some of them chairs have seen better days. And I know the views are great, but still, the windows are filthy as well. And as I said, we're not eating here tonight, and I'm kind of glad we're not eating here tonight, because this is the state of the furniture and the hotel itself. Yeah, you know. Yeah, again. Yeah, the windows are absolutely filthy. Okay, we'll continue on. Morning, folks. Just up out of bed. So up, put my robe on, and this is I'll use the slippers that were supplied by the hotel instead of walking around on these carpets, which I'd say aren't the cleanest. And I'll just show you here in the light. Yeah, that's the packet. Slippers, I have no idea what that is. So yeah, I'm not even going to touch that. I don't know what it, you know. Yeah. So yeah, as you can see, it's a bit of a dark grey day here in Torquay, but we're gonna go get some breakfast, and then head off, see what we can see around the coastline, a few little places that we'll visit, and I'll come back to you guys later. Just, you can actually see the hotel there through the trees, guys. Just to one side of the hotel, there's a little pathway that comes down to the coast here. It's actually quite nice. Really, really nice. Nice archway there to the rocks. Ship out there, another ship there. Really, really nice. And there's a seal. Nearly sure that's a seal, I think. Or is it a lump of plastic? No, I think it could be a seal. I don't know. Oh, maybe it's a plastic bottle. Floating in the water. I don't know. So folks, we come to the end of our time here at the Imperial Hotel. So is the Imperial Hotel Torquay the worst hotel here? Possibly, because a lot of the comments online were about dirty rooms, dirty furniture, poor maintenance, and we've seen that. And this is a deluxe room. You know, we've seen mold on the curtains, filthy carpets, badly damaged furniture. We've seen, you know, blood stains on the side lamps. Even the corridors, the carpets in the corridors are absolutely filthy as well. and I'd say most of the carpets are probably nearly as old as I am. And we know, you can even see the stuff needs painting, it's cracked masonry. It does need an awful lot of work. And yeah, I think a lot of those comments are justified. The people say, yeah, it's nostalgic, and it's not. At the end of the day, you're paying money. You're paying for a product that should be of a certain standard, and also you're not getting that here. The main areas look fine, but then again, when you get to some of the main areas like the bars, there is furniture there which definitely needs either changing or upgrading. So if you've ever stayed here before, please do let me know down in the comments. If there's anywhere similar to here that you'd like me to stay, again, let me know down in the comments. And thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. And from Torquay, I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.